Do your e.Laniese emails keep getting sent to your promotional folder and not your primary folder in Gmail? Well, let's take a few simple steps so that way we can ensure that your e.Laniese emails always arrives in your primary folder. So we're going to pretend that this email from the same clothing is the e.Laniese email that keeps being sent to your promotional folder. So we're going to open the email. Then we're going to select these three dots and that says more. We're going to come down to label as, and we're going to deselect promotions. And then we're going to hit apply. Now this email should be in our primary folder. Let's check it. So here's that email from the Sang in our primary email folder. So this should fix the issue. But if you're still having issues receiving your e.Laniese emails into your primary folder in Gmail, just reach out to us. We'll try to help you find a solution.